Today I am at Thatch River Park in St. Ann, Ontario with my family. We set off thinking that it would be a quick and smooth journey, but boy, we were wrong. The road was long and rocky. My advice is to leave early if you want a full day of fun and activities. Once we were at the location, we stopped to pay a fee of $1,000 adults and $500 for children. Then we received an armband with the word Thatch Iller. As you enter, there is a parking lot, bathroom and changing room towards the right. Up here is the bathroom, changing room, parking lot. So we enter through this side. In front there is a bar area where you can set up shop or have a gathering, but the bar area is far from the river. Here is a closer view of the bar. There was an ice cream truck on the property that day. So they have an ice cream truck on the property here. We're going to head to this side now. We're going to see what is on this side here. Over here is where they keep the life jackets. So if you want to go in the deep area, over here is like a little shed. Go over to this side, see what is here. Creative way to describe Thatch Hill is that it feels like an island surrounded by water. It is literally a beautiful flat hill surrounded by clear and cold water. Look at that. Each group of people stay together underneath bamboo trees. There are bamboo benches in selected areas. Alright guys, so I'm basically standing in the center of the field. That is the bar area and the life jackets are here. Over here is different sections. They have families here, families over here. So basically persons stay in groups of how they came. There are three parts to the river: the deep where you have to wear a life jacket, a sinkhole where you should not enter, and a shallow area where you can have fun with your family and friends. The water is waist height and I'm just 5 feet tall. At Thatch River Park there are standing and sitting swings, but I would not recommend the standing swing. If you are feeling more adventurous, then you can dive into the deep end of the river with your life jacket on, or pay $500 for river tubing. Subscribe! You can also catch crayfish or small river fishes. Or you can do fun family activities such as racing, play football or dominoes, but ensure that you bring the vibes, the music and the fun. Or you definitely will be bored, but if you want peace, it's already there. All in all, it was a great day, but beware of the lizards there. They will eat your food right in front of you and do not move even if you scare them away. And you know I love my food. Speaking of food, ensure to bring something to eat and water. Bring also your water shoes because the river is very rocky. bring also music, a tarpaulin if you want, a chair, and games. With that said, I hope you enjoy your day to the fullest, just like I did. See you in the next one.